Before I begin my formal speech, I would like to say that from my childhood, I have interacted with Honorable Shri Sadhan Pandey. We have family relations, and my grandfather used to take me to his home. I have had many sweets at his home, and he was always a kind, benevolent figure. And that is what he is for all the people that know him in his constituency, in his area, in his work. So today I have great nostalgia and pleasure in extending a warm and hearty welcome to all of you to this webinar on consumer protection during the COVID-19 days. We are thankful to our distinguished guests, Honorable Minister Shri Sadhan Pandey, Department of Consumer Affairs, Self-Help Group and Self-Employment, Government of West Bengal, for his august presence and address today. Taking cognizance of the situation, the Supreme Court on April 3, in a petition by the Justice of Rights Foundation, asked the government to take strict action against those indulging in hoarding and black marketing of essential goods, including face masks and hand sanitizer. The intent must be shown. The allowance given by the government to the consumer companies and in retail partners to restrict the sale of essential commodities in order to prevent customers from buying in excess is a step in the right direction. E-commerce giants such as Amazon, Flipkart are posing new challenges every day to our traditional retail people, and the consumer protection in e-commerce is even a more difficult thing to enforce. The governments, both central and state, have to step up their efforts to curb black marketing and hoarding of goods and products during these uncertain times. Statutory provisions already exist in this regard. Adequate publicity ought to be given, and implementation of the laws must be even stricter. In the absence of any specific guidelines from CCCI or MCA, the companies would need to align their business practices in consonance with existing competition law principles in India. The refusal to sell goods or to make them available for sale. These are some of the common complaints the customers have. Unfair trade practices and others, although have improved, what I mean to say is that the reduction in unfair trade practices is happening under both Sadhan Pandey, but it still exists. Selling and buying of products should be a smooth experience. It still does not happen for emergency or essential items. Desperate times calls for desperate measures. Some leeway to the healthcare and consumer sector is also required for them to perform adequately so that they can reach the masses. India is no exception. We have shown an indomitable spirit to take on the crisis. Sadhanda has been at the forefront of fighting this crisis by providing relief. Our chamber has been proud to associate with him and his team in providing some relief material to some of the charitable organizations who were actually serving the poorest of the poor. Without saying much, I will now hand it over to our Honorable Minister Shri Sadhan Pandey for a vote. Your questions, please put your questions on the chat or on the question answer session, and we'll take it from there. Thank you. Over to you, sir.
Namaskar, Vivek ji. You are an excellent speaker and a good man. All the Merchant Chamber of Commerce, all the members, I am wishing them all the best with regards to everybody. Now, during the Corona period, and Amphan storm, people in West Bengal are suffering. The rural people where their devastation has been done, they are suffering. So I am praying for them that they get relief and they become all right. So it is my prayer. Now, regarding the consumer movement, you know that in this state, the consumer movement was in a very minor area. So I have built up this movement with the effort of all people, all businessmen, everybody, all organizations, with the blessings of our Chief Minister, that this department has grown, and all over Bengal we are functioning, so that our offices are functioning everywhere. We are participating and we are taking up any matters which concern the consumer people. Three issues are in front of me now. One issue is Calcutta telephones. Calcutta telephones is not working. Those who have landline, they are suffering, because all the offices of Calcutta telephone has been closed. Why? Because agitation by the people who are working there. I am trying to resolve this issue with the help of the Labour Minister, and trying to see that Calcutta telephones become operational. All the officers cannot enter the office. All the officers in Calcutta telephones up to Chuchura, they cannot, their offices are locked. So I am trying to resolve this issue. It is the consumer's right that all the telephones function well, a landline. And for this, I am taking up this issue. Second issue, which is in front of me now, is guardians are complaining that in their school, all charges are being made in the English medium schools. Why? Because services not provided. Services not provided, they are charging. So the question is arising, how we must give some concession to those people. If school buses are not running in this period, why they should pay the charges? So these kind of complaints have come. Today, I am trying to resolve this issue. After this conference, I will go to my office, and officers are there. We will try to sort out this issue. So in similar manner, you will see adulteration and counterfeiting of many items are being done. So we have to take strong action. In West Bengal, we have divided the total Bengal in several zones. So every district has my office, and new subdivisional office has been sanctioned by the state government. So consumer movement here is in a strong position, but I'm sorry to say that Government of India is not treating the consumer movement in a serious manner, because I feel any problem of this common citizen, they cannot go to the Thana, the police station, to resolve this issue. There must be a forum for people to go and resolve their issues. So consumer forum and consumer offices are most important. But all over India, this factor has not been taken up by Government of India. So people in the country are suffering. People are distressed that their problems are not being solved. So I feel that the consumer movement has to develop. And in Western countries, consumer movement is very strong, that anything happens, any action can be taken. But here in India, we are a little late, we are a little slow. But I am trying to strengthen this movement, and with the help of all the chambers of commerce, we will be able to do better, propagate better, and any problem which comes to me, many problems are coming. So any kind of problem, we are trying to resolve. We have the grievance cell. We have the grievance cell. First, your letter will go to the complaint, will go to the grievance cell. We will call the principal party and the individual to resolve the issue. After resolving or not being able to resolve, we will advise them to go to the consumer court. And consumer court is very helpful. Consumer court is very helpful. It is not like the civil court. Civil court takes a lot of time, but we have a time frame that within this period, you have to resolve the issue. So that is the movement. People should come to the consumer court. They should inquire where the court is, where the office is, so that their matters will be resolved. Even in buildings, people are not completing the building, the promoter is not completing the building. In that matter, they can come to us. In case of hospital, mistreatment by the doctor, you can come to us. Any kind of issue you think that it needs personal attention. The police cannot take action. Police cannot resolve the issue, but we can. We can if you put your grievance. Anybody dies, any accident occurs, is not getting compensation, please approach us. We will do the needful. We'll try to help you. So that is that. Vivekji, any questions? I will be able to answer.
Dada, thank you. Short speech आपने दिए Dada, one of the complaints some of our members make that there is hoarding going on, because a lot of times when we are going outside to buy the mask or sanitizer or things, these things are not available. Dada, any idea what is the government of West Bengal? I know what steps you are taking, but I thought if people hear it from you, they will like it.
As this corona has happened, sanitizer and masks are very much required. And there is a hoarding. Even N19, which is coming, we have raided some places where hoardings have been, this kind of mask has been recovered. So I am saying if people have information, please give us the information by telephone. My telephone number 6655. If people complain to me, I will take up the issue. It is only information required. Yesterday in Barabazar area, there was some masala shop where haldi was being mixed with other things, so we read it. So I say any kind of complaint, please let us know. We will try to do the needful. And masks are required. Your merchant chamber of commerce should advise people, businessmen, to produce masks. Mask is very much required.
Thank you, Dada. Dada, the next question that has come on the chat group is people want to know which is the right way to register the complaint, or is there a designated person or email?
A single letter. Don't register. You send a single letter to my office address, that is in Khadya Bhavan. Mirza Ghalib Street, Khadya Bhavan. You write there, department, you write Honorable Minister or Honorable Secretary. You just make the complaint. Then we register your complaint and give your telephone number so that we can contact. 11A Mirza Ghalib Street. 11A Mirza Ghalib Street.
Thank you. I would like to tell everybody that the chamber can also play a role. If it's a company or a chamber member, or even if they can write to the chamber, and we'll be more than happy to send the complaint officially to the minister's office and follow it up with the minister's office.
Yeah.
For others, the websites are there, and the minister has been very kind enough. I don't think not every day you find a minister who has shared a mobile number and his address. So if you have any genuine grievances, please address it. Now I'll go on to the next question. Online shopping. There are a lot of discussion regarding this e-commerce and anything. What are your views on it? Is it good for us? Is it bad for us? And see, because consumer protection is very, very difficult when it happens, because somebody is shipping something from Bangalore. How do you take up the complaint with because those kind of challenges happen with e-commerce.
Now the law has been changed that wherever you want to buy, you buy, or anything in Amazon or any other e-services, but where you stay, the complaint can be lodged there. Wherever you buy, that is not the concern. Wherever you stay, you can make the complaint. You can lodge your complaint. And regarding e-services, we have recovered money from them for excess billing or defect goods, anything we can do.
Other one question that has come on that when we go to the market, suddenly we are informed that the price has increased. Is there any grievance mechanism or anything to know that the price, vegetable price, you and all, I know we cannot do anything. It is in the hand of the farmers. But I myself experienced it. Dettol was being, the shop owner asked me a price which was more than the MRP, and he says the new MRP has not come.
Do not pay more than the MRP. You will get less than the MRP. If anybody charges more than the MRP, give us a call, give us a letter, we will take up action.
I'll ask Dada Vishal Jhajaria ji. He's my immediate past president and my elder brother. So he will ask a question. Vishal Bhaiya.
নমস্কার স্যার, ভালো আছেন স্যার?
নমস্কার, ভালো আছি, আপনি কেমন আছেন?
ভালো আছি স্যার। You always supported our chamber sir.
আপনার চুলের স্টাইলটা দেখে আজ খুব ভালো লাগছে।
Thank you sir. So লকডাউনে এটাই হয়, আর কি হবে স্যার?
হ্যাঁ বলুন।
স্যার আমার একটা কোশ্চেন আছে স্যানিটাইজার নিয়ে। So sanitizers require alcohol, but alcohol also is of different types. There's isopropyl alcohol, there's ethyl alcohol, there's methyl alcohol, different types of alcohol. Now all are not suitable to make sanitizers. So is the government coming out with some policy that which ones should be only allowed? Because I believe Canada is one country which has banned some kind of alcohol to be used in sanitizers.
আমি একটা সার্কুলার বার করব আপনার কথা শুনে, যে আমি একটা সার্কুলার বার করব কি ধরনের অ্যালকোহল আর কি কম্পোজিশনে লাগবে আপনাদের একটা জানাবো।
So that will be very helpful because এখন তো মানে সবকটা লোকই স্যানিটাইজার বার করছে কিন্তু they are not proper and consumers are getting hoodwinked in this.
Very correct. On this regard, I will apply my mind.
Thank you, sir.
Mukundi, Rishabh, can you get in Lion India and Sanjeev Kothari? These two people have questions. Can you get them in so that they can ask their question live to Dada?
Munmun needs to do it, Vivek.
Munmundi?
বলুন।
Self-help group, are they playing a part in, how can they play a part in consumer rights or consumer protection? What is your advice to them?
সেলফ হেল্প গ্রুপ আমার দপ্তর, এবং আপনারা জানেন সেলফ হেল্প গ্রুপে 10 লাখ গ্রুপ আছে। এভরি গ্রুপ হ্যাজ a 10 মেম্বার, সো 1 crore লেডিজ আর ইন দ্য সেলফ হেল্প গ্রুপ। আমরা তাকে অনেক রকম সাহায্য করি। আপনাদের বিজনেসেও সেলফ হেল্প গ্রুপকে কাজে লাগান, খুব ভালো হবে। তারা মহিলারা খুব ভালো কাজ করতে পারবে। যে কোনো কাজে আপনারা মহিলাদেরকে বলবেন, আমরা সেলফ হেল্প গ্রুপকে কাজ লাগিয়ে দেবো।
We have with us Murmundi, Sanjeev Kothari.
He can ask questions, sir. Manish ji can ask questions.
Lion India को unmute करिए, Manish जी को। Manish जी। Manish जी, unmute करिए उनको।
Manish ji, please.
नहीं, unmute, Murmundi, you have to unmute him. যারা আমার আর একটা কোশ্চেন ছিল, मतलब সেলফ এমপ্লয়মেন্টে তো বহুত নতুন স্কিম আসছে, আমাদেরও অনেক ট্রাস্ট আছে, we also have a lot of trust on self employment. Dada, how can you this is more of a suggestion than a question, how can you and the chamber partner so that we run some informative series about the opportunities available in self employment and the help that the government is giving, because a lot of time people who want to do self employment or who do not want to work for a boss want to work for themselves, but they don't get that incentive or that motivation. How can we give them that incentive or motivation?
You see, all the self-help group, they take money, they are doing business, they get money at 2%. My department subsidizes them if they charge 4% or 6%, or 7% by the bank, I bring it to 2% and subsidize that. So they get this advantage. And apart from that, there is a BSAP, that is Swami Vivekananda scheme. There the businessman or a young person who wants to do business, he gets 2 lakhs, 3 lakh rupees and 30% discount. 30% discount. Government gives the 30% discount. So that is another scheme.
So all of you heard Dada. Sorry, Dada. So all of you have heard Dada about the schemes. I think Mr. Sanjeev Kothari, we've lost him, and Mr. Gauri Saria, we are not able. Sanjeev Kothari, please unmute, ask your question. Munmundi, can you unmute him?
Sanjeev ji, please ask your question.
I think there's some technical issue. Dada, we'll go. Vishal Bhai, do you have any more questions, or should we go for the vote of thanks?
No, Vivek, I have no more questions.
Okay, Rishabh, if you want to ask any questions to Dada, now's your time before you give the formal vote of thanks.
নমস্কার স্যার, একটা কোয়েশ্চেন ছিল স্যার কে আজকে যখন লো এন্ড রিটেলার্স আর ওরা এত কম্পিটিশন মানে অনলাইন পাচ্ছে, আর সেলফ হেল্প গ্রুপস কোনো স্কিম আছে যেখানে সেলফ হেল্প গ্রুপস ক্যান বি ইন্টিগ্রেটেড ইন দি সাপ্লাই চেইন with the consumers to be able to access consumers? কোনো মার্কেটিং সাপোর্ট না এমন কোনো স্কিম আছে যেখানে ওরা ইন্টিগ্রেট করতে পারে টু দ্য ওভারঅল সাপ্লাই এন্ড বিজনেস চেইন?
আপনি এই প্রস্তাবটা যদি আমাকে লিখিতভাবে দেন তাহলে আমি বলবো। Yesterday I had a conference. Yesterday I had a conference with environment secretary, environment people. Environment people tells me they have given a new proposal, which your chamber can also take. A new proposal is that any bottled water, any kind of milk has to be packed in plastic. Those plastic and bottle, they'll be bought back. They will be bought back. An organization is being built that all these materials will be bought back. That if a packet of milk, if you use the milk, after that packet, you get 10 paisa. You drop it here, you get the paisa. So we are working out a very big scheme that plastic material or any material will be bought by any people. Now we are throwing the bottle. We are throwing the bottle. So it is going into the drain. So before that, each bottle we will give some money. And the company which is selling that product, if Coca-Cola or any product, like in plastic, they will buy back. So we are working on this scheme. This will clean up the city. This will clean up the city. So I want Merchant Chamber of Commerce to be associated with this program. Environment Department, IT Department, and self-help group, and Merchant Chamber.
Definitely, sir. This is a fantastic thing, sir.
Rishabh, Abhishek, Munmundi, please.
Or any metal, any product, the packet will be bought that you cannot throw it out. It will give some money. So young boys in the city, they will collect this and give it, and you get money.
Excellent, sir.
Abhishek, Munmundi, please make a note about we need to write a letter to the Honorable Minister. Thank you. Go, Rishabh, please give the vote of thanks.
Okay, sir. Hello. Manish ji wants to say something.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Manish,
Sir, this is a very good scheme which you have suggested. We are actually into manufacturing of picture frame moldings, and we use lot of thermocol, waste thermocol in our plant. So our plant actually uses most of the waste plastic thermocol. But unfortunately in West Bengal, there is no system to accumulate thermocol and process and then deliver to the factories. We have our plant in Himachal near Shimla. and we use a lot of waste material which we get from areas from Delhi and other places. But this material is not being procured, or we are not able to accumulate material from West Bengal. If there is a possibility, if we can get waste thermocols accumulated, then there is a possibility that we may transport that material to a plant in Baddi. We may also propose, if there is ample availability of thermocol material, we can also consider to set up a plant in West Bengal also.
Very good, very good. I will encourage you to do that, and I will get the material for you, because I am working with the infrastructure to pay them. Those who are going to give back the used thermocol, I am going to give them money.
Sir, the good thing is that we are using all this waste material into wall decor. So whatever waste material is coming, they are all being used into wall decor, and it is also reducing, because picture frame was made out of wood moldings. But now with the new technology we have imported from overseas, we are able to reduce the cutting of wood also, and we are able to use recycled material. So if we can get some help from the government, it will be very nice, sir. Thank you.
Very good.
Yeah. So, sir, thank you very much. It is my pleasure and honor that after a very engaging discussion on consumer protection during COVID-19 days, I take this opportunity to wholeheartedly thank our guest, Honorable Minister in Charge, Shri Sadhan Pandey, Department of Consumer Affairs, Self-Help Groups and Self-Employment, Government of West Bengal, for his august presence at the webinar and thereby enriching all of us through his rich views and insights. As our President earlier mentioned, it is rare to find that a minister comes on a call and actually gives his mobile number and says, if anybody has any problem, please get in touch with me. So, sir, we are extremely grateful to you for your leadership, and thank you very much for your presence today.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I also express my heartfelt thanks to the members of our chamber, friends, business associates, and all the participants for the esteemed presence in this webinar. I believe with initiatives like this, we can find solutions to many problems and in many sectors which are facing challenges due to COVID and also Amphan. With this, I propose a hearty word of thanks and request all of you to carry this with acclamation. Thank you, sir. Thank you very, very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
We also thank all the members of the media who joined us live. Thank you.
Thank you.